Yo, what the deal, YouTube? This your man Frank Dutch right here. I'm back at y'all with another video, man. And today we gonna be talking more about FL Studio, man. I'm gonna show y'all a few things actually. I'm gonna show y'all two different ways to import stems because I noticed in one of the videos where it said actually my last video on importing stems in Fruity Loops. It doesn't really work for y'all. So I'm gonna show y'all another way, you know what I mean, you can get to it. And also I'm gonna show y'all how to route the signal properly through your mixing console in FL Studio, this joint right here. You know what I'm saying? So before we get into it though, y'all gotta like, share, comment, and subscribe, man. Don't forget to ring that bell, especially if this video helped y'all. And even if it don't help y'all, like it's hella videos up here that's gonna help y'all, like with whatever it is that you got going on audiolistically. You feel what I'm saying? So look, make sure y'all bang that like button, ring that bell. You know what I'm saying? And we gonna get to it, man. So look, check it out. Here's one of the ways that I showed you on the last video. Like I showed you on the last video on how you bring in stems in FL Studio. So look, check it out. We got them downloaded, right? We got them in the download folder right here. You know what I'm saying? How I did it in the other video, I just simply dragged them, over to it. You know what I'm saying? I'll do it one by one. You can do them all at the same time, but the reason why I'm doing them one by one is simply because I actually want it to be in the order that we have here. You know what I'm saying? And the way Fruity Loops is, man, like it's not a real way to, do it all at once, and it's in the order that you want it to be in. So I don't mind just going one by one, and it's only 10 tracks, so we'll get them in there. First of all, when you get stems, let me address this. When you get stems, don't ever or when you're making stems, I'll say, don't ever have this happen right here. You know what I'm saying? You see how these clips are pretty much uneven? This is fine because they're uneven at the tail, but like this can't happen. You know what I'm saying? Like all of the clips for the most part gotta be, you know what I'm saying, pretty much even. Like they can't be like at different spots like that. So to save the engineer a lot of time and you a lot of money, because a lot of engineers will charge by the hour, especially for that. Like, clean your session up. You know what I'm saying? Make all the clips even. You know what I'm saying? Take some notes. Put include them in the session files and stuff like that. That way, you know what I mean. The engineer will love you for that. Trust me. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, let's get to it though. So the first thing that you want to do, all right, now that we got them in there, and that's one way. And y'all have said that this doesn't work for y'all. So a few of y'all said that this didn't work. So here's another way to actually do it. The other way to actually do it is you can go to options and you can go to audio settings. Excuse me, you can go to file settings, and you can just import the folder. You know what I mean, that you would have those sounds or those stems in. You know what I'm saying? Like in this case, like I said, it's in the downloads folder. So I can just click on the folder right here, hit open, and boom, it's right there. And I got it on the side of my my thing here. You know what I'm saying? My browser over here. Now, if that doesn't work for y'all, the file, the folder will be over in the on the left side. But say like it's a situation where all of the sounds are grayed out. It could also be a situation where the actual file types the bit depth of the file type could be like just not supported by the version of Fruity Loops that you got. So that's a whole nother thing. You might want to go back to the manufacturer, or if it sounds, or you might want to go to the engineer that, provided the stems for you and tell them what you need. You know what I'm saying? So moving on, right? The next thing I'm going to show y'all is actually how to route these joints properly, because if you look at it right now, I could export this and it'll be totally fine. I could export this as a MP3 and it'll be totally fine. It'll be one MP3 file. But say like if I wanted to like I said, start mixing this, and I wanted to individually affect all of the tracks over here, you know what I mean? Because this is where you load up all your plugins, and this is each individual inserts. Well, This section right here corresponds with these numbers right here. So I got the kick on 1. So let's put the kick on 1. I got another kick on 2. Let's put the other kick on, and so on and so forth until we get to 10. Excuse me. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And right now, check it out. Oh, you got to put it on song mode too. Don't forget to do that. Like it's 2 different modes. You got pattern mode and song mode. Song mode is what you want to have it on when you want to do this right here. And pattern mode, you can just, you can add. You know what? I'm gonna do more videos on this stuff. So just stay tuned, man. Just stay tuned. So if you look right here, we got everything. We got everything coming through the levels. You know what I'm saying? Everything coming through each mixer channel. And I can, from this point, start mixing. From that point, I got all of my plugins over here. And if you watch my previous video, I'll pin it up here somewhere. But if you watch my previous video, I show you how to get all of your plugins in here and everything like that. But I got them right here, and I'll just show you that I can affect that individual channel right there. Check 1, 2. Solo it right quick. It's negative, quick, you couldn't fix it with a sedative. You know what I'm saying? So that's pretty much how you do that, man. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe, especially if this video helped y'all, man. This your man, Frank Dutch, right here. Y'all be cool. How y'all be cool, man? Peace.